All right, welcome to section 6, where we're going to talk about tools. In this video, we're going to go over an overview of what we're going to be learning throughout this section. So first I'm going to read off what we're going to be learning, and then I'm going to show you some of the tools. So we're going to talk about the selection tool, direct selection tool, group selection tool, magic wand tool, lasso tool, artboard, pen tool, curvature tool, rectangle tool, paintbrush tool, type tool, rotate tool, eraser tool, shape builder tool, gradient tool, eyedropper, width tool, zoom tool, and then we'll go over a summary of what we learned in the section. So now let's go ahead and let's look at some of these tools. But before I do that, let's go to the edit toolbar section, and I want to show you a couple things here. So first, if I click on this little menu up here, I can go to advanced, and what that's going to do is that's going to put all the tools in here. Okay, now these are more than what we're going to be talking about. I want to cover the basic tools to give you an introduction to the tools. Okay, so let's go back to edit toolbar and turn on the basic toolbar. Okay, so now you get the selection tool, the lasso tool, the pen tool, the curvature tool, rectangle tool, paintbrush tool, type tool, shear tool, eraser tool, shape builder tool, gradient tool, width tool, blend tool, artboard tool, and zoom tool. And again, we're going to talk about the ones that I mentioned before. So some of these we may not talk about, which is fine. Again, this is an introduction to tools. So it's not a big deal if we don't learn every single tool in the tool belt right now. We can take our time and learn as much as we can and really master the tools of Adobe Illustrator 2021. Okay. The other thing too is you have the fill and the stroke here. So when you lay out a rectangle, for example, it's going to give you the fill of white with a stroke of black. Okay, so you can see it here. Now you can adjust the stroke here, okay, to give it a little more composition and say, hey, I'm here, you know. And then down here you have different colors that you're using, and every time you change the color, it's going to save it down there. So if I do 3 different colors, it'll save the last color there, and then gradient, and then none, and you can also do none there as well. So that's a shortcut. You can also do the change your screen mode from here, and also do drawing modes. Okay. So those are not part of the tools per se, but it's part of the toolbar. So I wanted to mention that here, just so that you have an understanding of what that is. So if you see me using that, you know what it is. Okay, because I'm not really going to explain it when I'm going through the stuff. I'm just going to show you as we go. I'm going to delete this rectangle here. I'll save this. And there you go. So that's the tools overview. So again, thanks for watching. And I'm looking forward to teaching you about tools in Adobe Illustrator 2021. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.